tea time. Cersei, me man donkey weed, that's a my time. Gimme and weed. Welcome back to Tea Time, guys. What herb can be found in every Jamaican backyard? Do you know? Let's see. A mint tree can be found in most Jamaican backyard, like the peppermint, black mint, or colon mint. Most popular is the peppermint. What mint is in your backyard? And I like the scent.
Yes. Whenever you have an headache, you can also smell it.
Oh, and it will work?
Yes, it works. For some people, I don't know for some.
What? So your headache will stop when you smell this mint?
Yes.
Okay. And what you call this one?
I call this one fine leaf mint.
Fine leaf mint. Okay.
Yes.
And you drink when you drink it in the day, night, when?
Anytime we drink it, but they said that after 6, you cannot drink any. You cannot pick any bush to drink after
What?
6 because it sleep after 6 o'clock in the evening.
Okay.
So you have to pick it before 6 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but
What
if
you
you have it
say.
inside, it's better to pick it and put it inside so you can drink it at any time.
Okay. This one also?
Yes, we drink it also for the headache and the belly pain
What is saying?
and cramps.
What is saying? Okay.
Yes.
You drink this mint.
It is nice. Plus, it's better than drinking the milk tea, you know?
Okay. Okay. So you drink this mint when you're going to school?
Yes.
And do you have a name for it?
Yes, mint.
The active oil in the mint is called menthol. It is used to make toothpaste, medication, gums, and rubbing alcohol, just to name a few. With thousands of health benefits, some are it helps to smooth the nerve and ease nausea, help with upset stomach, cold and flu, help with weight loss. Feeling pain while breastfeeding, mint will help. And also bad breath, you will never go wrong to add mint to your diet. Natural herbs pouring a makeup. Bush way good for your blood and hiccup. Yeah, that's a tea time.
This mint, it has like 2 different names. One is cologne mint, one is honey mint. Some people call it black mint. My mommy used times per week, and it kept us warm inside. It's a very good mint to have planted around the house.
Oh,
It's very good.
okay. So you drink it now?
Not since mommy died.
Oh my, oh my. I know what I want with this peppermint tea. Banana bread. Time. Guinea and weed and dandelion. Drink up. Natural herbs pouring a my cup. Bush with good time. Guinea and weed and dandelion. Drink up. Natural herbs pouring a my. Let me show you how I make my mint tea. First, I'll break it off. Yeah. It's a little bit short because I use it a lot. Need some more and more. Take a little bit more. A little bit Drink up. I'm gonna rinse it off. Rinse. See that? Allow the water to boil. Pour. Let it steam for 2 minutes. Sugar to taste. You can sweeten with honey or sugar, or you can do without. Yes, I like to see the bush in the inside my cup, and then I'm gonna take it out like so. So, see that? That's the one I did. Still have some more leaves in it, but that's fine. I think I'm gonna take them out soon. But I like to see my mug. That's how I make my Jamaican mint. How do you make yours? Natural herbs pouring a my cup. Bush we good for your blood and hiccup. Yeah, that's a tea time. Genesis 9, verse 3 rightly says, every moving thing that liveth shall be meat for you. Even as the green herbs have I given you all things. God said it to Noah many years ago that He provides. And He's still saying that to you and I today, that He is indeed your provider. I don't know who I'm talking to out there today, but remember that God is indeed your provider. Stop worrying, complaining. It's just time for us to just worship Him, lift Him up, and adore Him. With my word, banana bread, and tea, I am good to go. Share, like, subscribe, leave a comment. With Lacey and Le. Tea time. Cersei, me man down